Hi, Mr. Etienne. Very nice to meet you.
Same for me. Nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure to visit your booth, and I've been looking forward to hear your insights. But first, I think not all my audience familiar with your company. Could you do a little bit introduction for us?
Yes, sure. So first, this is the fourth time we are participating to the CIIE. So the theme of this edition is Join Ecolution and a drive for a future with sustainability. So we, Wilo, are a global leading pump and system solution provider. We are a German company created in 1872.
1872.
Yeah, long time ago.
Wow.
100,
140 years ago. 50
yeah,
years
50
ago.
years ago. 150 years was our anniversary some times ago, yes.
Wow.
So a very long and sustainable company. So we are working in three main market segments. So building services, water management, and industry. And we are having in China, we entered China in 1995. So next year will be our 30th anniversary in China.
That's also a long time.
Yes, yes. And we have over 1,000 employees in China. We are having our R&D center and head office in Beijing.
Yeah.
And two factories in Beijing and Changzhou, close to Shanghai.
Yeah.
And we have over 400 authorized dealer partners.
Wow.
In the whole China. And we have 10 sales branches and offices in China. So it's quite big infrastructure in China.
That's a lot of operations in China.
Yeah, clear. So this is one of our main country contributor to the Wilo Group as turnover.
How about the products and solutions you guys provide?
So here you can see on this booth that we have, let's say, split the area into four main parts or focus areas. So one is with this new productive force, one is smart cities, one is the comfort of living, and the fourth one is renewable equipment. So renewal of equipment means service.
Yeah.
So this is all about pumps and solutions around pumping. So from small residential one to big industrial one and service around. So all those pumps and solutions we are providing and offering to our customer to create added value.
Yeah.
This is the aim of this booth, is to show more added value to our customer, how to create added value for them, and also how to drive for sustainable innovation, technological innovation. So this is our main motto for this edition.
Yeah. Based on my study of your company, and let me ask you some questions. And first one is, Wilo has been actively involved in the development of smart urban infrastructure. And could you elaborate on Wilo's smart urban area strategy and how it contributes to the digital transformation of cities, especially here in China?
Yes. So Wilo released his smart urban area strategies, and this offers deep insight on the let's say solutions and approach of those urbanization, global urbanization, which is increasing. Our target is by 2030, so on long run, to offer around 20%, more than 20% of our urbanization projects with digitalization solution inside those projects. So this is an ambitious project that we are building step by step.
Yeah.
So for instance, we by 2030, Wilo China wants to provide 10,000 sewage pumping stations, modern one.
That's a lot.
Yeah, this is big numbers to China. But it's also that we are supplying HVAC circulation systems for more than 500 data centers in China again, which is a booming industry sector, data centers.
Yeah.
And we also want to offer water supply pumping station or pumping solutions for more than 5,000 residential communities in China,
Wow.
in the whole China, in first and second tier cities. of
Covers
China.
covers a lot of population.
Yeah. So this is the target we have. So ambitious to support these smart urban areas in our fields of activities. So which is water supply, HVAC, cooling and heating, and sewage treatment, drainage, water collection and treatment. So this is the main areas and activities in which we are working and contributing with our offers. So in this, let's say, smart cities and smart urban areas, in this area, we will see there is some products like Flumen, which is Wilo Flumen XL, which is a product, which is a mixer used for wastewater treatment plant. So this is high efficient product which will support those infrastructure of the smart urban, the increasing urbanization. You need to increase also the efficiency of the infrastructure related to this. So our products are supporting this. We have also some other product like the solid Q, which is a Wilo Solid Q, which is a sewage pumps, high efficient, communicative pumps with other infrastructures, parts of the networks, and this enabling also to have reliable and sustainable installations.
Right.
So those pumps are able to communicate and to do auto diagnostics to unclog the pump in case of situation, let's say heavy duty situations happening. This can also do automatic diagnostic and then recover by himself.
All right.
So thanks to the intelligence that we place in those pumps. So this is really advanced technology
Yeah.
supporting this. So, and we also have the ice cube. We'll show it later on. So this ice cube is HVAC circulating complete solution in which you have some pumps, control units, tanks, everything in a container. And this is supporting data centers. Yesterday, it has been globally launched in the CIIE with the support of the China Equipment Association as well as CCTV. This was launched, and this is celebrating the partnership we have with Alibaba. This is supporting the Alibaba cloud infrastructure.
Wow.
So we have around for 24 and 25, 350 units that will be delivered. So this is a big project for Wilo. This represents roughly 120 data center equipment. So in China.
Yeah.
So this is a big one.
Yeah. Wilo is focusing on residential water solutions with the comfort living products, right?
Yes.
So such as Wilo High Multi One and Wilo Pre-Filter.
Yes.
And how do these solutions contribute to improving living standards in China's rapidly urbanized areas? And what innovations are being showcased at this exhibition?
So Wilo is our target again in 2030 is to provide whole house water solution appliance for the whole house, living houses in residential houses. And we want to reach over 10 million households offered with our solutions by 2030. So it's represent a big number of how Wilo is deeply involved and contributing to the BSR and comfort of living in China. Thanks to our product and distribution. So we are covering a very big part. So in these activities of whole water appliance, we have several products. Multi-One, as you mentioned. So this is a pressure home booster. So to enjoy showering, bathing with the right pressure at the tap. So those products are equipped with a variable frequency, permanent magnet technology. Those things are reducing the energy consumption. It's automatically adapt to the needs And then thanks to this, you are reducing the energy consumptions, therefore the CO2 emissions.
Right.
So this is a purpose of this solution. But we also have some other products, like you mentioned, Wilo pre-filters. We will see this after. Those pre-filters are there to protect the equipment from the installation in the house, removing the particles from the water pipes that may occur from the previous steps in the distribution of water. So this will remove those things. We also have some water purifier, Wilo water purifier, and this target is to increase the quality of the drinking water.
Right.
So this will remove all the bacteria, viruses, and so on that water may contain.
Yeah.
So this is also enabling safe water from the tap.
Increase the house quality.
Increase water at the tap, increase house water quality, health of the consumer, but also reducing plastics. Because when you have this equipment at home, you do not buy any more of those bottles, or less at least. So this is also reducing the plastic and CO2 emissions.
Yeah.
So this is this is contributing. There is also other equipment like softeners, Wilo softeners. Those equipments are removing scales from the water. Naturally, there are scales coming from the groundwater. And those, let's say, scales deposits are endangering or, let's say, destroying step by step the equipment also in the installation. And we also have other products like ICU-Lift. ICU-Lift is Wilo ICU-Lift is a product which enable our customers to take full benefit of their home. Mean that they can install some shower or toilets in places where they would not be able, from the, let's say, construction, connect those equipment to the sewers. So with such lifting station, they are able to, let's say, enjoy their home as they want. So this is more flexible for them to build and manage or refurbish their house.
Yeah, sure. Okay, the next question is the concept of new productive force, which is a guiding principle for China's future development and emphasizes innovation, efficiency, and high quality growth. How is Wilo integrating this concept into strategy in China, particularly in relation to driving high-tech, sustainable, and efficient solution for the water pump industry?
So Wilo strategies align with this China new productive force policy. So we commit to, by 2030, which is our strategy target, you understand, to grow all our smart water application by 15% every year on a yearly basis. So mean that we want to bring smarter and smarter product to bring added value to application of our customers, make those things more sustainable and by innovations. So this is, you can see in the CIIE everywhere AI, and this is something where we are also contributing with our solutions, with our pumps, with more and more electronics inside, bringing more and more, let's say, conditions from the installations to enable the right, let's say, management of the installations. So this is definitely something where we are contributing. And one of our targets is by 2030 to contribute to more than 2,000 smart factory projects with our products. About the projects of our factory, this is zero neutral carbon emissions for the those two factories in Beijing and in Changzhou. And this is the first Wilo factory outside of Europe being awarded with this neutral carbon emission. So this is also leading by examples.
Yeah, hope I got a chance to visit
Sure.
your factory.
Sure.
I'm very interested in all kinds of smart manufacturing.
Yes.
Great. And could you elaborate on how Wilo Group is implementing its sustainable development strategy for follow what we just talked?
So the sustainability strategy is for us the forefront strategy. So this is overarching the whole department strategy in Wilo. And this is, let's say, based on our 3Cs approach, Wilo 3Cs approach, which is creating, caring, and connecting. And this is really relevant for us, and this has been also awarded. We have been continuously over the last 3 years rated as platinum in this EcoVadis label. So which means that for Wilo, we are in the top 1% of the rated companies regarding this eco label. So it's really a great achievement.
Wow.
So this
Top
is something
one.
where, yes, top 1%. Yes. Since 3 years, platinum. Yeah. So
Wow.
this is a good result. Very outstanding result.
Yeah. Great.
Yeah. And so as I've said, the sustainability strategy is based on 3Cs. So one C is creating. So we aim at creating solutions, pumping solutions, to contribute to decarbonization and also improvement of the water supply infrastructure when we are in this project to build or to renovate water supply infrastructures. So this is something we are doing. And for instance, if we take Wilo Stratos Maxo, which is our high efficient pump in HVAC application, then using this pump in cooling or heating application would reduce 246 terawatt hour per year with this using this pump. So it's a big also step to contribute to this sustainability with this product.
Carbon emission.
Yes, yes. This is tangible facts of product that we develop in this directions.
Yeah.
So this is creating. Then we have this also caring. So Wilo is also, let's say, caring for employee. We are responsible on a employee level, on a society level, and also on a environment level, as I've said.
Yeah,
so
right.
we are here offering some, let's say, solutions, contribute actively, but we are also training our own employee by having sustainable behavior in the daily life.
Wow.
For sure, developing sustainable product, but also
that's so great. Actually, this is the maybe the first time I heard some companies doing some training for the sustainability for their daily life.
Yeah.
That's great.
And we are also supporting employees to have their let's say initiatives in also environmental friendly behavior. So there are some places where also Wilo employees are contributing to cleaning some environmental places. So this is something that we are also having at Wilo. Besides those trainings to make them doing effectively right things. But we are also participating some projects, charity projects, and for instance, for reconstruction or in a disaster area to offer some, let's say, emergency water solutions or heating solution or flooding solutions to remove the flooding water. So this is also something we are contributing to in a disaster place like in Turkey or in Africa. There was some event where we contributed directly.
Disasters.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. And we have also this corporate social responsibility project that we are now creating. So we sign cooperation strategic memorandum with my H2 association and also with the Dortmund Football Club, the BVB.
Excuse me again.
The Dortmund Football Club.
Oh yeah,
BVB,
which
is
is BVB, very famous.
Exactly. And a successful team. And with them and my H2O, we are having a, let's say, cooperation memorandum. So the aim is to, let's say, ensure safety and develop safety, health, safety water and health for residents and children in rural China area. So this is where we are here. let's say, raising awareness on how to take care of water and to develop water on a sustainable long term. And in the usage of water, in caring for the water, to keep the water, let's say, clean and safe. So this is also for their own health.
Yeah.
So this is here we are providing also equipment and training awareness.
Yeah. The water is the life stream.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
When we talk about sustainability, water is like a metaphor.
Yes.
Water flows from the mountain to the river to the sea.
Yes.
It's sustainability.
Yes, exactly.
It looks like sustainability.
Yes, it is. So we have to care about this, and Wilo is doing its best to innovate, to propose some, let's say, solutions, sustainable solutions to this.
Yeah, great. I learned a lot from you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hope we maybe get a second chance to talk about all the new stuff you guys providing.
Sure,
okay?
And maybe also visiting Changzhou factory then to show you how.
Oh, that's for sure. Let's maybe make arrangement later.
Yes.
Okay.